Hey there, I'm Jamey with Healthline.
And I'm Shana, a registered dietitian, and this is Blue Apron.
Today we'll be talking about the subscription details, pricing, packaging, and
nutrition info. That's where I come in.
As with all the brands we feature on Healthline, Blue Apron went through our rigorous vetting process and came out Healthline approved. They also didn't pay either of us to make this video.
So you're getting our honest feedback in real time.
Should we see what's inside?
Let's do it.
All right, so Blue Apron is one of the original meal delivery services or meal kits. I don't even remember how long they've been around, but I feel like I tried it back in 2014, 15 or something.
Their name pops up quite a bit.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
I'm excited.
So we got a combination of meals to cook and some of their pre-made meals as well to see. We have an ingredient recipe card in here. And a big metal bag, or a metallic bag.
Yeah, insulation.
Here's an ice pack.
Oh, nice. Everything's packaged really nicely.
We have some
Fish.
salmon and shrimp, because we got two different recipes. One that includes salmon, one that includes shrimp.
There you go.
Of course.
So all the ingredients are in the package nicely, so you have everything there that you need.
This is a lot of plastic, but it is all store drop-off plastic.
Recyclable, yeah.
It's hard to say with stuff like that, right? Because it takes effort on your part.
Yeah, I know.
Some tiny cherry tomatoes. Oh, and those are the pre-made meals that we
they
got.
also offer pre-made meals.
And that's it, another ice pack at the bottom. All right, box, goodbye.
Nice.
So when you go to subscribe for Blue Apron, there are pre-made meals, and then their meal kits, which is what they started with originally. And there are 3 different meal types or menu types you can choose from. And within that, you can decide whether you want 2 servings or 4 servings. So it was a standard menu, which is what we chose from here. A lot of, what did you see on the standard menu? A lot of meats and
Yeah, lots of meats. Also a vegetarian option for those who need. And in my opinion, it's pretty well-rounded.
Yeah.
So everything looked like it had a protein, a nice carb there, lots of vegetables too.
There's also a strictly vegetarian menu you can choose from, and then they also have a wellness menu, which is catered towards folks using WW or just more of conscious of what exactly is going in terms of servings. So let's make our salmon.
Yeah, let's do it.
We're aproned up?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, so we're making very cruise style salmon and vegetables. One of the really sweet things is that they do not leave any stone unturned when it comes to instructions.
Everything's in this little bag here, so no measuring really needed.
I'm going for it with the rice.
Nice.
So we do have a lot of small packaging here. This is like the exact amount of oregano we need for this meal in particular. It's probably worthwhile to have your own oregano.
I think so.
Depending on how much you like to cook. If this is your first experience with oregano, it might be the perfect amount. So other fun things that we like about Blue Apron, there is a wine pairing.
There is.
Nowadays, you can order wine that matches your weekly meal. They have about 40 recipes a week to choose from, which is great. And
Lots of variety.
so much variety. Some of them are customizable too. So this is a recipe that includes salmon, but it gave the option to swap that out for shrimp. And then there's a little bit of instruction in here in case you are doing the shrimp instead of the salmon, which is nice. It caters to whatever you've chosen. So as we get ready to do our taste test, let's talk quickly about price and how much Blue Apron costs. costs? It's pretty standard in terms of meal delivery kits, meal kit delivery. About $8.99, $9 per serving in almost all of their subscription options. Some of them get more affordable if you order more, if you have more servings per meal. And sometimes they take shipping off as well if you have a larger order.
But again, it's super individual. It depends on your budget, family size, how much you plan to cook.
All right, should we give it a whirl?
I'm excited.
Get a good combination bite.
I think it's really good. I think we did a really good job.
I'm really proud of us. Ooh, that little jalapeno kick. You're getting a lot of nodding.
So if you're really into spice, definitely one for you.
All right, as we nosh your way here, let's talk pros and cons.
Yes, so pros, tastes really good, easy to make, right? It was about 25-ish minutes, so super simple. Also, lots of vegetables, right? That's always something I'm gonna look for. Also, it's a whole meal. So you got your protein, your grain, your vegetables again. Super nice.
I'd add too that it's not something that I would make on my own. This is a recipe that I feel like I could take away and try again without having to use Blue Apron. I would make this some other time.
Exactly, especially the zest in my rice. I was super excited about that.
So good. Okay, and then cons.
Price. You know, that's pretty much every meal kit. Just depends on your individual budget. So.
Also, there's a lot of packaging. 85% of Blue Apron's packaging is recyclable. So it's really on you to do that legwork at the end of it. Otherwise, you're throwing away a lot of plastic. But otherwise,
I'd say it's really great.
Yeah, we did.
I enjoyed it.
While we finish our salmon, if you have any questions you'd like to add to the comments, go ahead and pop them below. And huge thank you to Shana for joining us today.
Thank you.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on all the latest health and wellness info from Healthline. To us.
Yes.